Hi everyone, my name is Zin. In this video, I want to show you how you can create the collab menu like me in the Elementor builder. And you can see the icon work perfectly. It's going down when the filter is hidden and it's going up when the filter is showing. So let's do it together. As you can see, I already logged into my WordPress dashboard, and before doing anything, let me show you the plugin that I use today is Simple Custom CSS and JavaScript. So I use this one to custom my CSS and JavaScript for this tutorial, and it's really good plugin. So next, let's go to the theme builder shop layout. I go to the theme builder and go to the shop layout. So I build the layout shop by Elementor builder. So I assume you know how to do it in your website. And right here I already in the shop layout. As you can see in the left side, we doesn't have any plugin, any filter. And I also open another base with showing in the front page. So this one in the back end and this one in the front end. Okay. Let me mention first, because I create the filter by Crocoblock. This is the Crocoblock. It's really powerful plugin, and if you use Elementor, I think you should have one of them, because it's really powerful when you create a filter, and they have so many things. It's not only the filter, you have the jet engine, jet stuff, so many. And right now I already have the jet filter here. I using that. You can search so many YouTubers, they talking about the filter. And right now I will create the filter. Okay, so first I create the button. I using the button Elementor, so nothing special, just using the Elementor button. So this one, the first filter I want to create is gender. So, and then for this one I will using the icon, the icon. So I will using this icon, insert. Okay. And the icon I want it to be in the right side like this. So right now we custom the button. For the typography I using, let's see, accurate font. You can use whatever font you want. For the size I put 18 pixel. The weight 600, good for me, and change font to be uppercase. Okay, that's good. So for the text color, I want it to be black, and the color background should be transparent for me. The padding 0, because I want it to be lined up with the top one. So we already finished the title of the filter. So right now we add the filter. So I already mentioned I using the Crocoblock. So if you know the Crocoblock, you know like they add so many features in the element here. So I use the filter checkbox filter here and drag it down right here. Let's do it again, right here. Okay, and then because I already create a lot of filter here, so I just search for my gender. Okay, I have right here. So this filter for archive products. So that means like this is the category, and some of them have the category about him or her. It will filter like this. So I update this one, and I go back to the home page, sorry, the front page, refresh again. It's showing my filter. So when I click to the him, for him is showing for him, and this for her is showing both of them. I turn off this one, is showing only for her. So just in case this is just example, so doesn't matter, just example. Okay, and right now we already have the first filter. So the idea here, like we will make the filter here will be collab and hidden will be working, and then after that, after this filter working, we will duplicate all the thing and change to another filter. This is our method right now. So right now we come back here. So to do that, first we need to add the class to the button, and the class to the filter, so that the button will be the trigger. When we click, it will show and hide the filter. So I will show you this in my blog here, so no worry, everything, the link for my blog I will link in the description below. So for this one, I will using the toggle show and hide for my button and filter. So temporary right now, we in the button right here, go into advanced, and then come back here. I copy the show block here, I copy it, come back here and go to add in the CSS class right here. Okay, so show block I add to the gender button, and come back to the block, I copy the class hidden, copy and put it, go to the filter, go to the advanced and put it in the class right here. Okay, so right now we already have the class in the filter and in the button. So update again. So it will not showing anything, it will not showing everything, it will not working because like we didn't add the JavaScript right here. So I have to be easy to the dashboard again, and then right now I go to class, see that class here, add custom JavaScript. So this one we will copy the JavaScript. So I just copy the title and I put it in the plugin right here, and then I copy the JavaScript code and put it right here. So this is the first JavaScript we add to the website, and then we public. Okay, so after we public that one and come back to the shop base, refresh. Okay, so right now you see the filter will be gone, and when you click, it's showing up. Amazing. Click again, it's hidden, and click again, it's showing. So one thing, in this slide I already note for you, if you change the high to be show, so it will be show the filter first. Let me show you. I change to the show, and then I come back here, refresh. So right now you see the filter will be showing first, and when you click, it will be high, show high. Okay, but I want to change back to the high because like we will have many filter under here, so I don't want it really long for the left sidebar, so I want to be hidden. Update again, refresh, it hidden, and then you click, it will be showing. Okay, so the next we will make the icon will be changed. When this filter showing, the filter have to be going up, and when we click hiding, the icon will be going down. So how to do that? So again, we have to come back to the shop here, the shop layout. So I can access the shop layout by here. I'm clicking this one, shop layout right here, so it's open another tab. I go back to the shop layout. Okay, for here I come back to my blog post here, and then we add another class to the button. Ctrl C, or you can copy it right here and come back to the button, go to advanced. You need the space and copy the code right here and copy the class right here. If you don't have the space like this, it will think the whole thing will be the same class, so you need the space between two classes here. Okay, so I update again. So that means like right now you have two class inside the button. So let me come back the home page and show you. Refresh. Okay, right now I right click, inspect, and as you can see right now I have the show block and icon squid right here. Show block and icon squid right here. So the next one, like when we click to the button, it will add another class. That class will help us change the icon. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so come back to my blog post, and then you copy this one. Let me come back to here. I copy this one first. Copy, and then I come back to the plugin custom CSS and JavaScript. I add another JS code. Okay, so I paste the new code right here. For the title, I just want to copy the same title right here, so that just remind me right here. Okay, public again. Okay, it's good. It's public again, and then I come back to the shop page. So let's show you what different. So right now I inspect again. You can see right now in this class you can see only show block and icon squid, right? Okay, and this code will tell you whenever you click to the icon squid class, it will add another class named highlight. You can choose whatever you want. So I put this highlight. Because it make me highlight the icon. Okay, it doesn't make sense, but who cares? Okay, inspect again, and then when I click to the button, it will showing up, right? And then I inspect again, and you can see it's showing highlight right now. So if you not see properly, let me make this one smaller for you, and this one. Okay. Refresh. Okay, you see the button, you see the class right now don't have the highlight, but when I click this button, the highlight will be showing up. It's amazing, right? And right now, let's turn off this main speaker. Okay, so right now we have the class already add to the button when we click, and the next one we will like change the icon based on the class. So I come back to the shop here. Sorry, I come back to my blog here, and then I copy the code right here. I come back to my CSS and JavaScript here, add another CSS code because you are using the CSS, so you have to add the CSS. Okay, so right here, and I come back to the blog, I copy the title, I put it right here. You can put the title whatever you want. Okay, and then I public. So what is this code? This code means like whenever the highlight class is showing up, it will change the icon to this one. So I come back to my shop base, refresh again. Okay, and then when I click, you see the icon right now is going up. When I click again, the icon right now is going down. It's amazing, right? So if you wonder how you can get the icon, okay, so right click, inspect. Okay, and then for you can expand the class right here. You see it's highlight, the blue highlight. Okay, so right now I will be showing, when you hover here, it's highlight, and then you can drop down this, click to before, and you can see the code right here that is going down. And if you don't know how you know it's going up and going down before, it's really easy. I show you the trick. You duplicate this, and then you change the icon will be go up. Then you come back here, you refresh. Right now you have the opposite icon. So whenever like you need something opposite, you just need duplicate and inspect it. So this one is the code for going up, and this one is the code for the arrow going down. So I come back here, just remove the duplicates and update again. Okay, so we already finished the first one. Refresh again. So the next is really easy. We just need to duplicate the first one and change to another filter. Okay, but before that I need another device between all the filter. So I need the device, so I will change the style to be lighter color a little bit, and then the gap should be 30, maybe 30 pixels, something like that. And after that I just need to duplicate the button, duplicate the filter. Okay, and then I drag this one down, duplicate again. Okay, so for this one, let me change to the ring filter, and then the filter here, we remove this, we change to the ring. Okay, ring, and this one should be earring. Doesn't matter, but like this earring, the filter here should be changed to earring. Like this. It's different filter, different title. Okay, update again. Come back to the website, refresh, and now you have 3 filters. For every filter, it works separate thing. You can collab and show them whatever you want. And the filter working perfectly. So you can change right now, right here. Also you can change the position of the icon to be on the right side. I can show you how to do it here. You can show in here, you can inspect the icon right here, and then if you add the code like position absolute and then right 0, as you can see right now, the filter will be showing in the position in the right side right here. But yeah, whatever, like it's depend on your design, but I think for me the design with the icon near to the title like this, I really like it, so I just keep the design like this. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.